Hey guys, what's going on? Beef Stew here, and we are back with another ball review. This time, Physix Blackout. It has NEX Pearl cover on it. It's got what looks to be a 2000 finish, and same physics weight block, but this time with AI core, of course. So I'm going to get it drilled, use my favorite layout, the old 5.5-inch pin, 4.5-inch mass bias, and a 3-inch buffer. I think I'm going to drill an infinite physics the same way also for comparison. We're going to head over to the lanes, ball on a house shot, see what it does. So let's get drilling. Hair up, and then 5 5/8 across. So it is going to look something like that. So, all right, let's get it drilled.
Hey, what's going on? So we made it to the bowling center. I even managed to get a shave in before we got here. Unfortunately, I've got a bit of a crack in my finger, so skin patch, and then we can get on the lanes and put this Physix Blackout through its paces. We've got a fresh house shot, so should be good, should give us an idea of what it does, at least on a house shot, which is what I think most people are going to end up using this one on. So let's get going. Okay, we're patched up, so we're ready to go. Let's get going. Let's see what this original physics, infinite physics, looks like. Been a minute since I've thrown one of these. All right, let's get some more shots with this original physics. The infinite physics. Rex, Pearl. Looks pretty good. I'm expecting this new Blackout to be quite a bit stronger, but we shall see. All right, let's get a couple more with the infinite physics. There we go. Flat 10. I felt like I had to try and throw one that didn't strike. Starting to get a bit worried about how much I was striking. Okay, so I think we got a good idea of what the infinite physics does. Let's see what the Physix Blackout does. Well, it definitely picked up sooner. Definitely picked up sooner. Okay. All right. Flared. Yeah. Kind of what we'd expect. I don't know whether we're going to pick that up or not. That might be the worst camera shot ever, but all right. Let's try some more. Definitely picking up earlier. I do like it, seems to be quite rounded. These are the first two shots I've thrown with this ball straight off the press. Never been thrown, so this could have backfired on me pretty badly, but let's see what. Let's just keep chasing it left. Okay, all right. Probably need to hit it a little harder than that if I'm going to move that far. All right. So a couple more better shots. Yeah. Yeah, this thing is pretty strong. It is pretty strong. But what do you expect? It's got NEX cover on it. NEX cover We saw it, I think, first in the Axiom, or maybe even going back further than that. I think Proton Physics, one of mine and Frankie's favorites. But this is the Pearl version. Okay, that was a sick shot. Half pocket, 6-spin, bang, messenger, take that. Okay, now we're excited. I mean, it says it's a pearl. It don't look very pearl with the 2000 grit finish on it, but yeah, this ball is pretty strong. It's really, for a ball that's digging in as hard as it is, it's actually not, it's not really quitting on the back. All right, one more doing that. Quite impressive, quite impressive. So the info that I got was that this ball was going to be a step down from the Ion Max, but a step up from the S2. Seems like that kind of makes sense. Feels like it's almost maybe closer to Ion Max than S2 though, from what I've seen so far. I've got an S2 in the bag drill somewhat similarly. I'll bring that out in a second. We can have a look at it, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when we go a little straighter. I think it's gonna be way too strong, but we will see. Okay, I understand for some of the guys at home that isn't straight. It's not really straight for me either, but it is straighter. We will continue to move right, see what we can get out of it. We might be on a 4-bagger, 4 balls in a row that I like. Yeah, this is a good step. Yeah, I think I like this one. S2 time. Now this S2 doesn't have a fresh cover on it. I've used it, so it's shined up a little bit. So let's go in that in-between zone and see what it does. For me, that ball got further down the lane and was a little lazier. Some of that is because it's not like fresh, brand new. Some of it is just because I just don't think it's quite as strong. So let me move back a little bit to the right, try and get to the friction a little sooner, and then we can see. So, yeah, kind of makes sense. Got it to the friction. It continued off it pretty good. We're expecting that S2 to fit underneath the Physix Blackout. So I think they nailed that description. So for a house shot, Physix Blackout looks like it's going to be a pretty good option for guys with faster ball speeds. Looks good for me. I can get it through the front pretty nicely. So step up from S2. Looks to me, I don't have an Ion Max with me, but looks to me from what I've seen that this ball is a little more continuous than the Ion Max. The Ion Max is kind of a little earlier, a little less motion down the lane. So yeah, this ball is available on December the 13th, I believe it is. I will have all the links and I'll have the actual date right here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. All right, take care. Bye-bye now.